Hello everyone. Today we are dealing with the question related to profit and loss, which you can find in your practice book. So let's try to understand what does the question means. Okay. So here Uma bought a piece of cloth. So we are gonna define how many meters, how many length. So at the rate of 100 per meters, and among them she sold 20 meters at the rate of 45 per meter, and the remaining at the rate of 105 per meter. And her loss is how much? 7%. So we have to find how many meters did she buy. So let's consider here a piece of cloth as X, and she is buying, right, 100 per meter. So your CP, that will be your CP, this part will be your CP, and she sold, so that will be your SP part, right? SP part, so that will be SP part. She sold 200 at the rate of 45, and the remaining at the rate of 105. These two parts are your SP1 and SP2, right? And when you add both of them, then you will get total SP. So now let's do it. Solutions. Let Uma bought X meters of cloth. Got it? So then CP, cost price of Uma, will be 100 times X, right? That will be 100X, because she has bought X meter, and it is said that the rate is 100 per meter, so that will be 100 times X. That will give you cost price of the cloth, right? So another part is we are dealing with SP, right? So we considering this part 220 meter as at the rate of 45 per meter as SP1, and this part as SP2, and this part as SP1. So your SP1 will be here. SP1 is equal to how much? 20 meter, and rate is 45 per meter, so that will be 20 times 45, 900, right? Your SP1 is 900, and your SP2 will be, since the total meter is how much? X, the total length is X, and she already sold how much? She already sold 20 meter. From X, this part, she already sold this 20 meters. So how much left from this X? X minus 20, right? So that will be X minus 20, that's the length, times how much is the rate? 105, times 105, that will be 105X minus 105 times 20, right? So that is 2100. Therefore total SP, your SP is equal to 900 plus 105X minus 2100. So that will be 105X minus 1200, right? Since you got your SP, you got your CP, is the question says total loss is 7%. So let's use the loss percent formula. Loss percent is equal to CP minus SP by CP times 100%. So that will be, so now use that formula. So now your loss percent is how much here? 7. So that will be 7 is equal to CP is how much? 100x. 100x minus your SP is how much? 105x minus 1200, right? And divided by CP is 100x times 100. So that will be our 7 is equal to 100 x minus 105 x plus 1200 by 100x times 100. This hundreds cancels out, so that will be 7 is equal to 100 minus 105 means negative 5x. 1200 comes minus 5x by x, so multiply x over here. That will be 7x is equal to 1200 minus 5x, so 5x comes here, so that will be positive 5x. Positive 5x is equal to 1200, so that will be 12x is equal to 1200. Therefore x is equal to 100. So let's write the language at the end. So we got the x, that means about x meter of cloth, that means about 100 meters of cloth, right? Therefore so see about 100 meters of cloth, right? See about all right guys, that's all for this video. Thank you.